Brother, this is a people, they have been told to Muslim people there's only one Quran.
Yes, there's one Quran.
But that's not. So that's why I'm holding a two Quran. This is, I did not print it. This is all from Saudi Arabia. Both the
Saudi where?
Yeah.
I'm from Jordan, man. What are you talking about?
Yeah, but
there's only one Quran, bro.
No, bro, that's what I'm trying to tell you that. This is a two different Quran because see, we have a $5,000 to forgive you to bring the original Quran.
I don't need the $5,000.
No, that's
only one Quran.
No, that's why you say, but you don't want to listen to. That's what I'm saying. There's a two different Qurans.
If you go to the Middle East and you talk about, like you said, two Qurans, they will start laughing at you. They're not even gonna like.
Yeah, they laugh on the Quran. They laugh on me. Why are they gonna laugh on me?
They're going to laugh on you because you're such a ignorant. Such a ignorant. You don't even know that it's not a different Quran. It's the different recitation. The pronunciation is different. Okay? Let me give you an example. Someone says tomato and someone says tomato. Are they different things? No, they are not. You're like, yeah, tomato means tomato, but the tomato is grapes. Really? No, they are not. There's a different pronunciation. There's no variation in the Quran. It's like Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. The pronunciation is different. The meaning is the same in all the Quran. Tomato, tomato. First learn the Arabic before you become the enemy of Islam. So the Quran is the same, but the different qiraat, different recitation. Okay? Don't embarrass yourself in front of everyone. You think that's how you're going to stop Islam? Really? Really? You are just a comedian. Okay? You're just a comedian. Quran says, جَاءَ الْحَقُّ وَضَحْقَ الْبَاطِلِ. Truth came and falsehood disappeared. You are a comedian.